Well, here we are in the middle of the desert, Thar Desert. This is a wonderful Gadisar Lake. This lake is called Gadisar Lake because this lake was found by King Gadsi Singh in 1367 AD. It was in the middle of the camel caravan Silk Route, which was starting from Turkey. And in Turkey, the goods were coming from Venice by boats. After Turkey, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Balochistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, China. This was a whole long Silk Route. And the merchants from the camel caravan Silk Route used to have a stop here on this beautiful lake. And it was like a caravanserai in the middle of the desert. This place was very important for the traders because they used to take rest here in the middle of this lake. In these buildings, they used to pay the taxes and getting permissions for having trading in the town. This lake was very important as a source of drinking water because in the ancient time, this was the only one drinking source of water in the middle of this town. Whenever we were having a rain, the water was coming from 5 to 10 kilometers far from here as a natural canal, and this lake was filled very nicely, and the people of Jaisalmer were using this water as a source of drinking, cleaning, bathing, everything. You can see here many buildings. These buildings are all the ancient buildings which has been constructed in the dry construction system. You can see the beautiful kiosk in front of you, this one. This is called Jali Bangla. Actually, this was specially for the ladies. The ladies used to sit here to watch the festival activities, and they could hide their face in these windows, in these balconies by their windows. And you can see the beautiful construction. Nowadays, also this lake is famous for making lots of Bollywood film shootings like Thai Akshar Prem Ke, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Reshma Aur Shera, Ab Tumhare Hawale, Watan Sathiyon, Tashan, Mela, Rudali, and one of the most important destination for the pre-weddings and marriages, and of course the picnics and parties. This lake is very famous also for the monument. As a monument, this lake is very important. The tourism of Jaisalmer is booming, and from last 2 years we are having an airport in Jaisalmer city. So the tourists from around the world, they comes to Jaisalmer and they enjoy the beautiful sightseeing of Jaisalmer, which starts from this Gadisar Lake, because the morning sunrise is amazing here, and the view from here of these buildings and the country area is awesome. The wind here is always very fresh, and whenever we are having any rain around Jaisalmer 4 to 5 kilometers, the water is filled in this lake like a magic. It's a magical place. The people from Jaisalmer, they always wait for a rain and they comes here to see the level of water. You can see the beautiful bastion. It's a big bastion. It is the temple of the goddess Chamunda. It is one of the oldest temple of the town where people comes to worship during fairs and festivals, and even they comes here in evening. Lots of people, they comes here to have a cannabis ceremony. They come to pray, and later on they are having a cannabis, which is called bhang in the local language. And it's a pretty place for the people who cross this way. Nowadays also, when they feel thirsty, they drink this water when it becomes cleaner after a few days of rain, because the muddiness of this water goes down and it becomes very clean. Nowadays, people from Jaisalmer, they comes here to have lots of other activities like boatings and photo shoots, Instagram photo shoots, and also vloggers like us. We are doing a vlog here on this beautiful place. Being a local person of Jaisalmer, it is my privilege to tell you about this place. My name is Harish, and I am a local tour guide in Jaisalmer, and I am enjoying this beautiful lake with this nice wind and having a good boating with my few friends. So enjoy this place.